sage, butter, it's skinny, flour, egg, breadcrumbs, butternut squash, Parmesan cheese. All right, we're going to cut these guys into about a 1/2-inch slices. 1 egg, don't waste the egg, just 1 is plenty. And add a little cheese to your breadcrumbs, about a cup of breadcrumbs and a 1/2 cup of cheese. 2 lobs of butter are going to go in a saute pan with some sage, and we're just going to let that melt. In the meanwhile, we are breading these guys. So flour, egg, and the breadcrumb mixture. Set them aside once they're breaded. They are roasted, so make sure you roast your butternut squash about 10 to 15 minutes at 300 degrees until they're slightly soft. In the pan, we're going to put our it's skinny, that's spaghetti, and let it sit and get a little bit brown. Add some Parmesan cheese. Meanwhile, yes, we are frying these butternut squash, and we're going to make butternut squash Parmesan. You want them to be crispy like that. Make sure you salt them when they come out of the oven. It's the best time to salt anything that's fried. Top them with your favorite tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and we're going to throw some Parmesan cheese, right? Top them as much as you want. Remember, more cheese, the better. Add your pasta to the plate so you get the best of both worlds. Add your butternut squash Parmesan, some more cheese, a little bit of sage, and you have the best dish in the world. Give it a try.